one guy, Marcus? He never walks into class, but I don't know. All the girls like him. He's just on my side though. How did I get him to leave me alone?
Oh, just tell him. You just tell him. It's not good to leave people alone.
Yeah, I guess. What's up with you?
I don't know. There's this one girl. She's hella cool. We always kick it. I feel like you can tell her everything except...
Except what?
On a podcast.
Ew.
What's wrong?
This is wrong. It's not me.
It's okay. Don't be scared.
Am I leading you on? Because if I am, I'll stop.
No, it's okay. Don't be scared. You shouldn't be scared. It'll be okay. I promise.
Ew.